Every customer conversation is a chance to make a sale or to lose one. A shopper has a question or can't find the right product, and every second costs you. People expect instant answers now, so even a few minutes, even from a human, is just too slow. They leave frustrated or buy elsewhere. This is where Zipchat comes in. An AI agent for your store that doesn't just chat. It takes action, and it starts before a shopper even opens the chat. Right on the product page, Zipchat shows the questions they hesitate over, specific to the product, generated by AI. Anything about sizing, shipping, compatibility, returns, and answers them on the spot. The doubt that would have cost you the sale is gone before it grows. Open the chat, and it does the rest. Ask it about an order, and it tracks the shipment, handles a return or a refund, and reads the notes inside the order. It checks your stock, even across multiple stores and locations, and updates customer details right in your CRM. It sells too. It recommends the right product, picks the variant, and adds it to cart in one click, right inside the chat, so the shopper skips the back and forth. It upsells, cross-sells, and downsells, and recovers the carts shoppers leave behind. And it doesn't wait to be asked. It reaches out the moment a shopper hesitates. And it works everywhere your customers are. Website chat, Instagram, Messenger, and email. Email is where it shines. It replies in seconds, in every language, around the clock, with a tone that feels human and empathetic. And it turns each support ticket into a new chance to sell. Zipchat trains itself on your store, fast and nothing complicated to learn. It connects to any tool in your stack. Paste in an API or an MCP server and build your own custom skills, from collecting reviews to almost anything else. It even replaces your search bar. Shoppers now ask in full sentences, the way they talk to AI, and Zipchat understands what they mean, not just the keywords, so more of them find what they want and buy. And you stay in control. Your team sees every conversation and can jump into anyone at any time. You can also choose which conversations get escalated and assigned to a teammate. They answer by hand or have Zipchat draft a reply and send it when they're ready. And Zipchat follows up on its own. Its AI replies reach back out on email, Instagram, and WhatsApp, aware of the whole conversation to close a ticket or land a sale. Already using a help desk like Zendesk? Keep it. Just add Zipchat as an agent and it handles most of your conversations right inside it. One AI agent that sells and supports on every channel in every language. That's Zipchat. Add it to your store and let it go to work.